Got a good question here from a prospective tenant. What about a cannabis use at the property? What I would recommend is check with the city first because they're going to have some restrictions on what areas will allow that type of use. And then you got to make sure that your landlord doesn't have a traditional loan on the building because most of the big banks aren't going to want a marijuana related tenant at their property. So those would be two big things to consider when you're out doing your site selection. Let's talk about weed. In a property, we need to have the right zoning. So the city is really going to drive that. And then you also got to make sure that your landlord doesn't have an underlying loan on that property because a lot of times that would breach their loan covenants to have any cannabis related tenants. And then also be aware of who are the surrounding tenants. Are there schools nearby, preschools, things like that that you have to be a certain distance from.